You want Emma to go sledding? She's never done it before, so she wants to see someone do it. Kick the mountain, Emma. Kick it. That's how you go up. Kick it. Nate, come back. Come on, man. You're so far.
Watch this. Watch it.
Oh. Whee! You don't need a sled. Kick the mountain. Kick it with your foot, like you're going to hi-ya. That's how you walk up a mountain. You kick it like you're kicking it. Hi-ya. Nate, stay out of the woods. Come back over here.